Hello, this is Greg McIntyre, the elder law guy, coming to you from my conference room. We're going to do a little picture pages for elder law today. We're going to talk about ladybird deeds, and I'm going to draw out exactly how I envision them, how I explain them, and how they work. But I'm going to visually draw those out for you, just as if I were in a consult with you. Sometimes when I explain them, it's not as good as drawing them out. I've even made charts to explain them, but it still works better if I draw them out when I'm with a client. So we'll start with a home. This is a purple house. So looking at the house, you got the purple house, and you know what? I want to leave my purple house, I want to pass it through my will. So in my purple house, and if I'm with a client, I would say, how many children do you have? So they're going to say, you know what? I have 2 green children, 1 boy and 1 girl. And there they are. Draw a neater circle there. So there's the boy and the girl. We got the house passing through the will. And how does a will get property somewhere? It probates. So we'd go through probate, and we got the house in probate, passing title to the children. Great, right? Well, that's worked well and good for a number of years, unless you're one of the 70% of seniors. 70% of seniors who need long-term care. If you're one of the 70% of seniors that need some type of long-term care, then that can cost a lot of money. Let's say anywhere between $60,000 to $100,000 a year, for example, easily. And what that could do is spend down the money and create a Medicaid lien. Now, what's a Medicaid lien? Well, that's when long-term care Medicaid came in to pay for assisted living or nursing home care. Now, that Medicaid lien would attach to the probate estate when you probate your will, advertise it in the paper for 90 days, and that Medicaid lien is a priority lien. That means that house is sold to pay for that Medicaid lien, and the home never gets to the children. So I'll spare you going in and drawing frowns on the children's faces. But what about a ladybird deed? So I'm going to show you how that might work and how that successfully passes property outside of the probate estate. And North Carolina has done a great thing by allowing these ladybird deeds by policy. So we're going to draw a green line out here to a ladybird deed. And it doesn't matter if this long-term care situation right here happens, even within a look-back period, which is a maximum right now of 5 years, okay, for nursing home Medicaid. For assisted living Medicaid, it's 3 years, okay? So even if you put a ladybird deed on the home today, then after it's recorded at the Registry of Deeds, it's valid. And it protects that home and successfully passes it to your loved ones. So if you have a ladybird deed, then that's going to pass it when you pass away to the kids, which is great. We've got a big check mark there, okay, because we've made it. And it's not subject to the look-back period, so those don't matter. And Medicaid will come in and help pay or pay for that health care. Okay, that long-term care, and not touch the house. So I'm going to go ahead and put a force field protection, of good green protection there around the house. That's what the ladybird deed does, and we've successfully passed it along to the children, okay, which is great. That's what we want to do, and the children are very, very happy. Yay, yay. So that's how a ladybird deed works. That's how I look at it. And I find that it's easier to explain, I think, visually, and it's easier to explain when I go over it with clients to draw out their situations, and it's what I do with clients on a regular basis. If you have any questions about ladybird deeds, how they work, or about any other estate planning, elder law, or benefits issues, because we're also veterans certified, I'm a veterans certified attorney through the U.S. Department of Veterans Affairs, and I put in veterans aid and attendance benefit applications for veterans on a regular basis. Go to mcelderlaw.com or follow us on Facebook, like us on Facebook, and we put out information like this all the time. Give us a call. We're located centrally in Shelby, North Carolina at 123 West Marion Street. You can reach us. Our local number is 704-259-7040 if you have any questions about what I discussed today and would like to set up a consultation. Have a nice day. And for those of you who are wondering, I am using an iPad Pro, the 12.9, almost 13-inch version, which is rather large. I love it. And I'm projecting onto a television using Apple TV. And I draw these things out with clients on a regular basis. It allows me to really engage with the client and visually display what we're talking about.
I'm attorney Greg McIntyre, and my book, Saving the Farm, is a comprehensive manual on how seniors can protect themselves and their hard-earned money and property. This is a great gift to start the conversation with mom and dad about preserving their assets and legacies, and to make sure that you know everything you need to know to do the same with yours. To order your copy, call 704-259-7040 or online at mcelderlaw.com/savingthefarm.